ngifuna niphendule la. Akuve iconstitution ithi remain innocent until proven guilty by the court and allegation remain allegation until tested. Ayike wemnewe lalelani webhuti. Niyangichaza mangabe senikhumbula ukuthi iconstitution ithini. Mangabe kwami ukuvumela nina. Nathi uZuma is corrupt. Yet alikho nelodwa icala seke la prove ukuthi ucorrupt kulo. Nanamhlanje nithi uZuma is corrupt. Nathi 9 wasted years. Kodwa akho ngisho lodwa icala elilodwa. uZuma usehamba amacala for more than 20 years. Angakwazi ukumprove guilty. Yet yena niyakwazi ukwamukela ukuthi he is guilty. Kodwa mangabe ko yilo othandwa yinini akumele samukele, kumele sicabanga ama allegations. Lama allegations abekuba uZuma ama allegations akhe bebekuba abebekwazi imbangi zakhe, because kweze politics mangabe sithi sikweze politics sithi sikwezombangazwe kuyabangwa la. Uyayizwa lona, sikwezombangazwe. So it's very, very rich of you to come and tell us this. Yet, you're the very same people nanibambele namabhunu nithi Zuma must fall. Nithi Zuma is corrupt. Nimenza ngazuthi inkosi ye-corruption. Engathi akekho odlula yena. Uyingqongqo eshaya amaphiko. Uyindlondle nophapha ekhanda nge-corruption. Namhlanje ngoba kuthi into abathandwayo nina senithi nithini senikhulumbula ukuthi constitution ithi innocent until proven guilty. Why didn't you feel that way ngoZuma? Why ningakushongo lokho ngoZuma? Yindaba nibe selective. Nikhethi iphele emasini. Hayibo ngeke sodlala nina. Ayibo guys. Ayibo. If that is how you feel, then you must feel that about uZuma as well. Ibo nina nazi naqoqoshisa amagupta kuZuma. Nawathula uMandela wayekade siqalisa ukusibonisa amagupta. Nawathula kuMandela, nawathula kuThabo Mbeki. uThabo Mbeki waze wawancoma wabingelela uMawa wajabula wathi uNoma wabona namhlanje kanje nathatha nawaqoqoshisa uZuma kwaba waZuma. Nina ngendlela engcole ngayo. It's very, very funny ukuthi mangabe sekuzwa kwabathandiweyo benu fune thina sehlisa imimoya sithi not guilty until proven. So uyishibo isidade uyajabula lulu. Uyadela fish kaze uphume nini ethinini. Ibo